In this video, I'm going to show you how to add 10% or increase 10% of data in Excel using two easy methods. Let's open a document. This is a salary data table that I have taken as an example. Suppose you need to increase 10% of the salaries in this column. To do this, select a cell, type equals, select the first salary cell, type a plus sign, and select the previous salary cell again. Add a multiply sign and type 10, then add a percentage sign. If I press enter now, you can see that the salary has increased by 10%. There is another way to increase 10%. Select the salary data and copy it. Paste it into the increased salary column. Now select any cell outside of the table. Type 1.1. Copy this cell. Select the increased salary column and right-click on it. From the pop-up menu, click on Paste Special. From the Paste section, select Values. From the Operations section, select Multiply. Here you can see that the salary data has increased by 10%. But I recommend you use the first method because by using the first method, you can increase any amount you want. Just change the percentage amount and you are good to go. But if you use the second method, you can only increase by 10%.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.